up, guys? So I'm here to bring you another video on a small tip of resources, speed ups, and other stuff, and tell you if you have to go through desperate times where you need food or speed up to complete a mission really quick. All this is still without spending money. If you in a pretty good alliance that are very active, and you don't use every single thing up, you can get this. So shooting range. I just started using some of my points today, but I had about 4 of 30 training ammo, and I have about close to 60 of these. So when you start wanting to go through like hard times, and if you never use this, then this is one good way to gain gold, hella speed ups, and I want to complete this, and resources. You also can purchase these from the store. You'll find it. Since I don't have none here, I'll add it. If you happen to not see that this item in there, ask your R4s or your R5s to add it to the store. Really? One more? I was not paying attention to how many I actually need. Alright guys, so I had 0 speed ups. Now I have a couple of them. This way you can actually train pretty fast in desperate times. So you need to just go ahead and advance a little bit in the game. Go ahead and use these options. I would always recommend to take your time. Some people might be impatient like I am. That's it. There you go. Pretty easy. Alright guys, I hope y'all like this video for tips. Like and subscribe. And I'll be posting more videos.